This Road to Prosperity video is sponsored by Graaf, the leader in the design and manufacturing of high-quality, premium efficiency conveyor belt drives. The GrizzlyDrive Drum Motor is built to operate in harsh, dusty, abrasive, and extreme environments where performance and durability matter most.
It seems like good times for the aggregate industry right now. What sorts of things are you hearing from customers as they came in the booth this week, in terms of their need or desire to purchase equipment? It seems like there's again, good opportunity. People are putting rock on the ground and they're looking to invest in upkeep or better their plants. So what are you hearing?
Yeah, great question. Everybody is looking to produce more because the demand is out there. And that drives equipment purchases, equipment repairs, equipment upgrades, and everything else. Is there still hesitation out there because of the economy, potential recession, increase in cost, and those types of things? Absolutely. Everybody is cautiously optimistic, right? Did we receive a lot of commitments this week? Absolutely. Received a lot of commitments on improvements and making changes and those types of things. We are probably lined out for the next 7 months on actual site visits just because of this show, and it's a great opportunity. Newer technology, advancements, improvements, and a lot of it has to do with education, because not everything's the same. If you look at all of the exhibitors out here today, almost everybody has something innovative that they have to offer that they didn't offer either last year or at Con Expo or whatever it was. And so every company out there is investing in making improvements. That's all for the better of the producer. And that's what we're looking forward to. That's what's driving and inspiring our clients today.
How do you feel like we're positioned for the next 9 months? I mean, you mentioned there's some concerns out there. We got the presidential election looming in 8 months or so. But it seems like there's a lot of excitement, and maybe people are willing to look past that, and there's still some confidence that we're going to continue to put rock on the ground. Again, it sounds like people are coming into your booth ready to buy and prepare their operations for growth. So how do you feel about the rest of this year and the years to come?
Very, very confident. If you look at where we're at year to date so far, I think we are approximately 45-50% ahead of goal. So things are looking really, really good in our industry after, I would say, probably our business, after 6 years in a row of record breakers. So we planned well and forecasted well, so we're fulfilling those things. We anticipate another record year this year in the aggregate and mining industry. The leads that we received over the last 2.5 days, we got a couple more hours left here at the show, have been fantastic, and they're going to propel us toward the future.
Thank you to Graaf for sponsoring this Road to Prosperity video. Visit vandergraaf.com to discover the cost-saving and safety benefits of the innovative GrizzlyDrive Drum Motor. Learn how the GrizzlyDrive reduces maintenance costs while delivering reliability and longevity for belt conveyors operating in the harshest of environments.